Hey guys, it's Brian, and today I present to you a 42-inch Casablanca Ventura II ceiling fan that I have installed here in my spare bedroom. This uses a K55 Emerson motor. It's got a 3-speed pull chain that goes low, medium, high like the Delta 2s. When I got this fan, it came with this single globe Casablanca light kit, which is nice because the pull chain comes out of the switch housing, so it makes it look a little bit more streamlined, in my opinion, than just putting a aftermarket light kit on it. This is in the classic white finish, which is more of a creamy white rather than the bright snow white, which I really like this finish because I plan on painting this room like a darker tan like the rest of the house. So this will actually go really well once we brighten it up and brighten up the ceiling with new white paint, and then cover up this ugly circle here from the original light fixture that was in here when I bought the house. So this will be really nice in here. And it does have the original Casablanca pull chains that came with it. And the tag on the switch housing still has plastic on it, which I don't plan on removing to protect it from getting scratched. I put this one on a fan lifter because the ceilings in my house are rather low, so I can't put it on a down rod in here because I would be afraid of someone who either moves into this room or stays with me as a guest accidentally hitting this fan when it runs and possibly breaking some part, whether it be the blade arm or a blade snapping or the flywheel getting messed up or whatever it might be. So anyway, I got this fan last year from the Fanimation group trip in the fall from Matthew Cody, who is a longtime fan collector, and more specifically a major Casablanca collector. And I was really not surprised to find this at the meet in the back of his car. And he had told me about it, and I said, okay, yeah, I'm interested. So I picked it up, and I'm really glad I did too, because I've always had a thing for these little Ventura ceiling fans. I had no idea it was a Ventura II, to be quite honest. I thought it was an older one because it had the pointed tip blades, but I guess this is a Ventura II from the motor tag. And I'll put a picture of the motor tag in the video towards the end. But for now, let's go ahead and start it on low. Absolutely silent, as a Casablanca should be. And it's not too fast of a low speed, to be quite honest. It's like just right. You can definitely feel it moving a little bit of air. Medium. Definitely moving a pretty strong breeze on medium. Actually moves pretty fast on medium, I'm not gonna lie. Although this is a K55 fan with a pretty short blade diameter, so I'll bet you this thing's gonna fly on high. But you really almost don't need to put it on high. This is pretty strong. And here is high. Wow. I mean, talk about a sleeper. This thing just absolutely cranks out air. And not an ounce of wobble. I mean, this is blowing paper and stuff all over the room. Sorry, it's kind of a mess in here right now. So I was testing a few fans in here. But I mean, this thing just moves. Oh my God. Couldn't have picked a better fan for this room. It's fast too, like seriously. Although most of the short blade Casablanca fans that I've tested that have K55 motors, I mean, they tend to really fly on high speed. So just like my Lady Delta, the red one, and my Four Seasons that I picked up that had the 38-inch blades on it. This is impressive. And off. I'm not gonna show it with the light off because this room does not have a whole lot of natural light in here. And I just don't see the point, to be quite honest. But yeah, I love this fan. I mean, this is, you could easily fit a 52-inch fan in here, as you've seen from my previous videos of other fans that I've had installed in this room, but honestly, I think this is perfect. I was a little worried that you wouldn't be able to feel the breeze from such a small fan because I would put the bed here in the corner, but this thing has seriously impressed me. So I have no doubt that whoever either moves in here or stays in here as a guest is going to be very pleased with this little fan. So yeah, that's my 42-inch Casablanca Ventura II ceiling fan that I have installed here in the spare bedroom. So hope you guys enjoyed. Keep watching, more videos to come.